The Moscow City Court has backed the decision of Russia's investigative committee not to investigate Alexei Navalny's recent poisoning as attempted murder. Mr. Navalny's associates have insisted they'll now take the case to the European Court of Human Rights. Well, earlier I asked our correspondent in Moscow, Galina Polonskaya, about Alexei Navalny's response.
He wrote, a citizen of the Russian Federation fell into a coma on a Russian plane flying over Siberia, and there is no investigation inside the Russian Federation. Just daily statements of the foreign ministry, which could mean that maybe the city of Tomsk is not in Russia officially anymore. And Vyacheslav Gimadzi, who represented Alexei Navalny in court today, told me that actually the authorities of Russia have just passed their demand in some informal way to the transport police in Siberia, and this police is just investigating robberies on the trains. So Mr. Gimadzi is persuaded that the Russian authorities want to deliberately show that there will be no investigation of what had happened with Alexei Navalny in Russia. Let's listen more.
On the territory of the Russian Federation, there's no preliminary investigation, and furthermore, the investigative committee hasn't even conducted a pre-investigation check as required by the law within the established time frame. We can say that the authorities of the Russian Federation are directly disposed to conduct neither an audit nor an investigation. It's blatant and obvious, because if they wanted to at least pretend, they could say, well, we're conducting an inquiry. We'll cancel it now, then we will send it for new consideration. They could at least carry out an inquiry, but the investigative committee defiantly doesn't carry out any inquiry.
The Russian official point of view does not change. There are no proofs, and no proofs means no criminal case, and the Russian Foreign Ministry accused Germany of refusing to cooperate. Meanwhile, the Russian state TV has shown a report which is really widely discussed on social media. One of the prime time stars appears in a gown, and he's shaving in the hotel room of Alexei Navalny in Tomsk, saying that he has spent a night there and feels well. He says that actually Russia wants to investigate, but it is Alexei Navalny who refuses, which means, according to this anchor, that Navalny was not poisoned, and he concludes that the European politicians do not want to know the truth. They just want to have a pretext to impose new sanctions on Russia.